Farming venture with high returns? Think beyond poultry, think rabbits. Why rabbit farming? Rabbit farming is a game changer. They don't crow, they don't smell, and they grow incredibly fast. Unlike poultry, rabbits make no noise and don't disturb your neighbors. And the best part? No expensive feed needed. Rabbits thrive on the greens around us: weeds, leaves, even kitchen waste. No commercial feed required. Starting is easy. With little capital, you can set up a small rabbit farm from home. In just a few months, they're market-ready, fast-growing, and always in demand. At Trisolace Company, we have a ready market for rabbit farmers. All you need to do is grow. Start your rabbit farm today. Trisolace has the market. Why wait? Start your rabbit farm today. Trisolace has the buyers waiting. Call or WhatsApp us on 0249 234 89. Again, 0249 234 809. We have cages, rabbits, and feed, and we provide free training and technical support to all farmers. We also buy back from you at a generous price. Join the future today. Join Trisolace Company. You can also visit our 36 acres farm in Aburi to get more inspiration.